uh, I will try to do one skid in front of you to understand what's the principle and how we're going to do it. I'm going to use the 13.1.1 as a sample, and you can do the other ones, the GRP tanks, similar to this one. Okay. Now, first of all, I've sent you an Excel sheet, which is this one. This Excel sheet, it will show you how many the minimum base plates or bases that you're going to use. For example, here I will just hide the other things so we can see this one. Okay, for this skid we have base per row 7 pieces and number of rows 5, so the total should be 35 base, concrete base. Okay, this base, so it's 35, 7 and 5. Now you go to the screen. This is the one that you sent to me, okay, and this is the skid. This is the skid that you usually did. Now you take the measurement from corner to corner of the skid. From here, this is the corner of this steel to the second corner, and you have 14.1 meters. Okay, so you have 14.1 meters, and from this side you have 6 meter 860. Okay, now we will do something very simple. We said we should have 7. We should have 7 and 5 rows. Okay, now the base itself is 700 by 500. Okay, this is the one. Now we take the bases and we do the math. We said, let me bring it here. We have 7. There should be 7 rows, and this should be 5, and this should be 5 rows. Enter 5 rows. Okay, now we have 14.1. If we have 14.1, let's make the calculation here. We have 14,110. If we divide it to 7, it means if it's 7 columns, it means we have 6 intermediate things. So this we will divide by 6. It will give you 235 centimeter spacing. So here, this should be 350. Okay, and if we take the width, which is, if we take the width, I'm going to do it here. If we take the width, which is from this side here to this side here, it is 686 centimeters. All right, I said we need 5 columns, so it's 4 spaces. So divide this by 4, you will have 175. If you divide this by 3, yeah. It will give us a higher number. You see here, so it's 2 meter 28. Here we have too much load, so we make them compensated. You divide it by 5 as I gave to you in the sheet, and then if there is modification, I will tell you to modify later on. Okay, so now it's 1715 between the footings. So we come here, and we will have here 17. How much is it? 1715. Okay, Now this, if you take this one and you put it just on the corner here, it should be exact. Alright? Now what we're gonna do, there is something else that we are going to do. You see here, this is not centered. So once you finish, you center these things. For example, this, you keep it as it is for the time being. Once you finish this, you take this one, and now we're going to start drawing the steel beams that we're going to do. The steel beams, actually they are IPE 100. All right, now the IPE 100 is 55 millimeter width and wide. Okay, so it will come like this. You will draw 55 and you put the length that you want. Oops, sorry. For example, we'll make it like this. 55 by 1000. Okay, you have the beam. Now you take the middle of the beam, this one here, alright, and you place it here. Okay, it's like this. Okay, now you do the same to the second direction. So copy, paste, and then you rotate this. Okay, but they are all on the center. Sorry. All are in the center. Actually, it never mind, because we're gonna cut them at the end of the day.
لا she likes this one before. I don't know, first time she had a salmon.
Sometimes okay, it will be like this. Okay. Now I want to make a spacing of 50 centi like this. So this one, you take it and you make a 50 centi spreading. Okay, 500. So you see, from center to center, it should be 50 centi. It should be 50 centi. So this is wrong.